No matter how successful or content we may feel, we all experience insecurities in various aspects of our lives at some point. Even our personal lives are not exempt from these concerns. Different types of insecurities can challenge our relationships if we allow them to. Research conducted over the years has revealed that the two primary causes of relationship insecurities are childhood trauma and unhealthy past relationships. It is quite likely that individuals who have experienced trauma or childhood abuse may enter romantic relationships with a heightened sense of insecurity. Consequently, they often rely heavily on validation from their partners and tend to exhibit common insecurities within a relationship. In this video, we have compiled a list of relationship insecurities that can potentially affect your relationship and discussed how they impact individuals. First, let's explore the meaning of being insecure in a relationship. In a relationship, insecurity refers to a feeling of uncertainty and a lack of self-assurance about your romantic connection. It involves a strong belief that you're not good enough for your partner, that you don't deserve their love, or other troubling thoughts that make you anxious. When you're in an insecure relationship, you often feel like you don't deserve the affection and attention your partner gives you, leading to a struggle with low self-esteem. Moreover, this insecurity can lead to doubting your partner's honesty and questioning their actions when they're not with you. These feelings of relationship insecurity often stem from past experiences and unresolved emotional pain. In some cases, individuals may exhibit overconfidence or narcissistic behaviors as a way to cope with deep-seated relationship insecurities. Now that we have reviewed what insecurity in a relationship is, let's review the 7 types of insecurities in a relationship. 1. Emotional insecurity. Emotional insecurity, a condition marked by uncertainty and a sense of not being good enough in terms of one's emotions, often brings about feelings of depression and anxiety when it comes to expressing oneself. This feeling can lead to hesitancy in asserting one's thoughts and feelings in various situations. Individuals grappling with emotional insecurity often find themselves engaged in unnecessary arguments over minor issues. This insecurity often stems from a lack of confidence in both your partner's actions and your own decisions, resulting in subsequent feelings of regret. In essence, emotional insecurity can make it difficult to trust both oneself and those around you. It can cast a shadow over relationships and personal well-being, leaving individuals caught in a cycle of doubt and unease. Recognizing and addressing emotional insecurity is an important step toward achieving greater emotional stability and healthier connections with others. 2. Attachment insecurity. Attachment insecurity can create challenges in maintaining a steady emotional bond with a romantic partner. People dealing with attachment insecurity often find it difficult to form a reliable and lasting connection with their significant other. They tend to shy away from getting too emotionally involved or committed in the relationship, often pulling away when things start to get more serious. Conversely, attachment insecurity can manifest as excessive clinginess. This means that individuals who are insecure in their relationships may become overly dependent on their partner's presence, fearing that the relationship will end if they are apart for even a short time. This constant need for reassurance and closeness stems from a deep sense of insecurity within the relationship. In essence, attachment insecurity can lead to either avoidance of intimacy or an overwhelming need for constant proximity, both of which can strain the relationship. 3. Physical insecurity. A recent survey has shed light on a concerning issue. More than half of American adults experience a lack of confidence when it comes to their own physical appearance. This issue often becomes a significant source of insecurity within relationships. Consider this scenario for a moment. As you navigate through your social media feeds, you encounter images of individuals who seem to possess an otherworldly beauty. Men in these images resemble Greek gods who have descended upon earth. If one isn't cautious, these striking images can embed themselves in their psyche, leading to discomfort with their own body, which may not conform to these idealized standards. Consequently, those who are constantly exposed to images of the so-called perfect body are at greater risk of experiencing physical insecurity. In essence, the pervasive portrayal of flawless physiques in the media can erode self-confidence and contribute to feelings of inadequacy among a significant portion of the population. 4. Financial insecurity. Financial insecurity is a prevalent concern in relationships, often underestimated. When your partner earns significantly more than you, it can impact your self-esteem if you let it. Research has indicated that men tend to be more affected when their female partners out-earn them. Nevertheless, irrespective of gender, many individuals may experience insecurity when their partner shoulders the primary financial responsibility for the family. This type of insecurity can take a toll on a relationship, causing stress and strain. It's crucial to recognize that financial security isn't solely about income levels, it's also about communication, trust, and mutual support. Open discussions and shared responsibilities can help alleviate these concerns and strengthen the bond between partners. Remember, financial insecurity is a common challenge, but addressing it together can lead to a healthier and more harmonious relationship. 5. Professional insecurity. One of the important types of insecurities in a relationship that is visible these days is surrounding professional achievements and opportunities. Professional insecurity is the state of uncertainty concerning continued employment or job security. This could result from workplace factors like massive layoffs or personal variables like when the quality of a professional's work reduces due to pressure from other aspects of their lives. Professional insecurity is that type of insecurity that can have a direct impact on the overall quality of a person's life. When you lose your job, your source of income almost dries up immediately, which can negatively impact every other aspect of your life, including your health. 6. Insecurity over basic needs. Feeling insecure about your fundamental needs is a significant challenge we all face. These essential needs encompass food, shelter, rest, safety, hygiene, and healthcare, forming the foundation of our well-being. When we grapple with meeting these necessities, that insecurity can linger and negatively affect our behavior and relationships for a prolonged period. When pondering the question, what causes insecurities in a relationship? We might not immediately think of basic needs, but they undeniably play a crucial role. Insecurity regarding these fundamental requirements can serve as a gateway to various emotional insecurities that can harm a relationship. If you've experienced the anxiety of struggling to afford a meal or pay rent, that fear can seep into your relationship. You may constantly worry that your partner doesn't fully appreciate what they have, and this fear may drive you to exhaustion as you're haunted by the prospect of returning to a life of hardship from which you've just emerged. Insecurities are a natural part of the human experience, but they can take a toll on our relationships if left unaddressed. Recognizing and addressing these insecurities is the first step toward building a healthier and more fulfilling partnership. Remember, it's okay to seek help from professionals, such as therapists or counselors, to work through these issues together. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of insecurities in relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice and tips. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and nurture your relationships.